Can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and not changed again. It's my big bronze boogie got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. From dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like.
Hello my lovies, welcome back to day number 5 of this Cape Town vacation. I still have a cold. Imagine, can you imagine? It's crazy, it hurts, it sucks, but I'm not gonna let it get in the way. Anyway, today we have a plan of going to the mall first and then coming back home, dropping off what we need to, and then go on a boat cruise. From there we go to the beach. So that's the itinerary for today. Yesterday we then went to Mr. Price, bought what we wanted to buy at Mr. Price that is close by, came back home, dropped off our bags, and then we went for dinner at La Parada. So we were at La Parada until, I don't know, I think 9, around that time. Then we came back home and chilled, catching up, talking as girls. It was fun. It was fun. So I hope you guys are having a good morning. I'm so excited to go to the beach once again and actually get in the water. Like I said, I'm not letting the flu get in the way. I'm gonna get sick when I get home. I will not accept this while I'm here. Anyway, my voice sounds crazy, but hi guys. I don't know what the time is. The sad part is Table Mountain is covered in mist. Like a cloud just came and sat on top of it. Let me show you. Do you see that's Table Mountain? It goes up even further. But today it's been covered with cloud and mist. And this sucks. So I'm so glad that we did our hiking yesterday, because as soon as we got to the top, like 15-20 minutes, the cloud came and covered the mountain. We came back with the cable car. But this is crazy. This is crazy. But we are still going to the beach. So, nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop reggae. Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
So, this is the outfit of the day. But this is not what I'm wearing to the boat cruise. This is my mall outfit. And with some boots, since I have a cold, I'm going to give it some love as well, so that it lets go. I was thinking of putting a coat on top, like maybe a brown coat, because that's the one I have, and some shades. Maybe keep this bun on top. But this is the outfit of the day. It's cute, right? Maybe cut these off. I need to cut them off. Hi guys, so change in itinerary, right? We are now going to the boat cruise. Then after the boat cruise, we go to the beach. Then after the beach, I think that's when we'll go to the mall. Planning, hey? We thought about this. But yeah, so now we're changing to wear our boat cruise outfits. And then we leave. change of itinerary. We're going to the boat cruise now. Let's go.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. In my mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system, he cannot breathe. I need to find relief. But behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts have trouble me. I need to give up my babe. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need my dog. I need to free my dog. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my dog. I really need time now. Oh, yeah. You set me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. At 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. In my mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time.
Look at that.
I need to free mine now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mine now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy.
Hi, my loves. Hi, my loves. How are you doing? Well, I am at the beach now. I'm at the beach. I told you I am not letting this cold get to me. No, to the devil. I'm at the beach. The sun is amazing. It came through for us. And this is my outfit at the beach. I told you I don't care if I have a cold. I am going to do what I came here to do. Anyway, the pictures are amazing. The beach is amazing. The water is very salty. Doesn't help. But yeah, it's a good time over here, guys. I love it. I'm having a good time over here. From here, we're gonna go to the boat cruise. Like the itinerary kept on changing because of weather. So at least yeah, the sun is out. So it's not cloudy. So we do have like an opportunity to have a good time at the beach. So yeah. Anywho, tell me that my outfit is not cute. You'll be jealous.
Rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight, and it can't tell me that the boss up and not change. It's my big bronze boogie got all the girls shook. My big fat ass got all the boys cook. From dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like yeah. Flexing on the gram like yeah. Hit the little John, okay. Oh yeah, we keeping up in this game.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. When I'm walking with you.
Hi guys, we're now going on the boat cruise. So we're on our way there. But yeah, for the most part, can't wait to have fun. The beach was amazing.
Won't change. Baby, that's what you know. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence. I'm blaming on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. I can't jump in. It don't make no sense. I can't jump in. You know it, you I can't say how I for me, baby. Yeah. Our connection's so magnetic on the floor. Nothing can stop us tonight. Walking with you, I watch the whole world change. Baby, that's what you do. No, baby, don't play.
Hi, we're on vacation with my sister. Shake your ass off the yacht.
It's all blaming on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. She don't wanna fall alive. Ladies, grab your fellas and let's do this right. Do this right. Yeah, we gotta go on, gotta go on. Oh, it feels so good to be alive. Yeah, we gotta go on, gotta go
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning.
Excuse me, please. Hi.
In my mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. Right, yeah. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need mind now. I need to free my mind now. I really need mind now. I need a free mind now. I really need mind now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot.
Love you, love you.
This is the peace that you
Hi, loves. So we just came from the boat cruise. Hello, loves. Oh yeah, so we just came from the boat cruise. It was amazing.
Like and
The
subscribe.
sunset was beautiful. Oh yeah, please do like and subscribe. Jeez, I haven't said that in a long time.
Please. And
I
tell
don't
your
know.
friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Do I trust myself? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe and like and comment. Anyway, yeah, so we just came from our boat cruise. We're now just looking for something to eat, and I still have no voice, by the way, because of the cold. But we're thinking of trying Mozambique as the restaurant, and then yeah, I'll update you guys on which restaurant we decide on. But we are at the V&A waterfront, so yeah, vibes, vibes. I hope you guys can hear me. Yes, my love. Yes, Mitas was amazing.
It's not bad, but it's not as good as Mozambique.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to fight for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is run. Only stops have trouble me. Fighting to get by, baby. In my mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, they try to break me.
Can I get the chicken trichado as a starter? Can I get the chicken and prawns with no onions? Everything else is fine. With the lemon and herb and not the curry. Yeah, I don't want the curry. So no onion and no peri peri. And then when it comes to a drink, do you have cocktails? Yes, we have cocktails. Can I do a cocktail for the drink?
One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy.